Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to get affiliated to Twitch. In order to get affiliated in the Twitch account, you need to follow the simple steps. Now, there is no such direct way of doing so, but then they have a certain criteria, so which I'm going to show you in a different link. Now, open up a browser and you could go ahead and type in Google.Twitch how to get affiliated, and here you could find out that in order to get affiliated you need to reach up to 50 followers. Now, to be affiliated you must meet the following requirement within 30-day periods after creating your account. Now, you need to reach 50 followers. You need to go and stream for a total of 8 hours and then stream on at least 7 different days and have an average of at least 3 viewers. You would also go and track your process towards an affiliated in the achievement section of your creator's dashboard. Now, once you've met the requirements, you'll receive an email and a Twitch notification inviting you to the affiliated programs. Now, it will take a few days after your channel becomes eligible to receive an invite, and you must also follow the Twitch community guidelines, the terms and services, and DMC guidelines. So this way you could go ahead and get affiliated. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.